We're Immobiliser Fit and it's a 2024 spec Audi RSQ8 protected with an i96 Connect by us at Immobiliser Fit. So how it works, if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, popped it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out, as you see. And also our phone's going to ring to let us know they're in the vehicle if we don't hear it start or it's parked around the corner. There you go. The car's giving us a ring to let us know someone's attacked it, so we can go out and see what's going on. Obviously, if it's the customer, they don't want these calls every day, so they'll start the car. They can choose from either a code 1, 2, 3, hear a disarm tone and drive away, or the simple way that everyone likes is just have their Bluetooth on their connected phone. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this. Now it's on, we get in the car and start it and drive away instantly. With the code paired, there's no need to do the code, but obviously the customer can set their own code between 3 and 21 presses. They can also pop this system into service mode using the app or using the buttons, totally up to them. But this is the i96 Connect. Compare your phone to it, out or use a code to disarm the system and drive it away. If a thief tries to steal it, obviously it doesn't see your phone or the code, then the vehicle cuts out, they're unable to drive it away, and also your phone rings to let you know someone's tried to steal your vehicle, and you can go out and see what's going on. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the i96 Connect. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.